this is C. Vinay Mohit. This is my channel Ranking Tips with Vinay. Now let us deal first with my favorite subject, that is chemistry. Chemistry is the study of matter which involves the dealing of elements, compounds and mixtures. Everything around us is matter. Matter is made up of some fundamental particles which are called atoms. Atom is the fundamental particle which have independent existence. But there are some fundamental particles of atom which do not have independent existence. They are electron, proton and neutron. Let us discuss one by one. Electron is the first discovered fundamental particle which charge is negative. It is the first discovered fundamental particle and has a negative charge. Now the symbol of electron is actually the symbol of electron. Most of you will write the symbol of electron as this. It's completely wrong. You have to write like this. Here minus represents the charge and here the 0 represents the negligible mass of the electron. Actually, as per IUPAC, electron has a negligible mass. So that this is the mass of electron and this is the charge. Now for proton is the second discovered fundamental particle and its charge is positive. And its charge is, and this is the symbol for this, P1 plus, or you can read P plus 1. And the neutron, it is the third discovered fundamental particle and its symbol, it has no charge at all and its symbol is 0. Here 1 represents its unit mass and 0 represents its charge, that is its neutrally charged particle. Let us discuss one by one. Electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson. And proton was discovered by Goldstein. And a neutron was discovered by James Chadwick. J.J. Thomson just discovered electron, but he was not the person who coined the name electron. Electron, the name was coined by Stoigny. Stoigny is the scientist who coined the name for the electron as electron. But before that, J.J. Thomson coined a name for electron, that is negatron. As its short suggests, it is negative particle. But proton, it is same for the name of proton was coined by Goldstein and the name of neutron also was coined by Chadwick. Now let us discuss about the charge and how electron was discovered. Electron. Charge of electron is minus 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs, or as per atom units it is minus 1. That is, it is the unit charge. Actually the exact charge is minus 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs, but here minus 1 is the unit charge. And it was discovered by cathode ray tube. And here we will get the exact Now this is cathode and this is anode. When we switch on this battery, which has high voltage source, approximately 10,000 volts, the electrons pass, the electricity pass through the cathode and it goes like this. It is going like this. The rays started from cathode and moving to anode. Now cathode is connected to the negative terminal of the battery and anode is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. So that as per rule, cathode rays are negatively charged rays, or it contains negatively charged particles, which then the Thomson called them negatrons, as I said before. Negatrons. These cathode rays consists of negatrons or electrons as per modern atomic model. Now what is this exhaust pump? Exhaust pump. Exhaust pump is the pump which reduces the pressure in this. Actually, if you switch on the electricity, it will not pass through rays because there is high pressure. Atmospheric pressure is very high to the cathode rays that are visible or to pass through. So that here in this exhaust pump, the pressure is decreased. So that this, it is free to electrons or the cathode rays to pass through. So that there are some visible rays which come from cathode. Now let us discuss about the properties of the cathode rays. What will you say? What are uses which is used to discover the electron or the negatrons means you have to say cathode ray tube. In short form, CRT. Cathode rays tube. Properties. As I said before, the cathode rays are passing through straight lines, so that as per light properties, same as the cathode ray properties, that is, they will pass through a straight beam. If anything such that this is the light, a light source. If anything obstacle is started before in the between of the right line, it will cast a shadow here. Same like that, if you pass cathode rays, they will pass like this. If anything obstacle is between, they cast a sharp shadow, that is very light shadow. And if you place a beam such that this is the cathode ray terminal and rays are passing through. If you place a wheel joined to the cathode ray tube, the wheel starts rotating like this. That means it says that electrons or the cathode rays are particles which have mass. If you throw a stone like this to a wheel, certain wheel, it will rotate. If you throw a normal size of rock, that is same. If you pass cathode ray tube through a wheel, it will rotate, saying that it has mass. Actually, electron has a negligible mass, but everything around us has some mass. So, as we can conclude that electron has a mass particles that make the wheel rotate. Now, if you place a photoelectric beam like this, and you are focusing cathode rays like this, and if you are standing here, a person or an object, if you stand here, it will cast a virtual image here. That means the cathode rays can cast a virtual image on a photoelectric beam. This is the another property of cathode rays. Now the next property of cathode rays is that is negatively charged. Charge particles, which we all know that are called electrons. As I said before, these were called negatrons before. Very important. Very important bit. What is the name coined by J.J.? This is the main point that who coined the name? The name negatron. You have to write J.J. Thomson. And if you get the bit as who coined the name electron, you have to write Stoiny. You have to write Stoiny. This is very important bit, and these are the properties of cathode rays. And thank you. This is my channel Ranking Tips with Vinay. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, that is Ranking Tips with Vinay.